Welcome everyone to another episode. Today I want to make a really short video just to give you an update what actually is happening after we made already a video talking about how Ethereum price is reacting, how everybody's calling it going to go super high, they're going to go to 5,000, 6,000, and from now on. As we can actually observe, the price is exactly stopped at the price we were talking about it yesterday. It was the 3,800, more or less, 900, something like that. And as I was saying to you, don't get the FOMO, take control of your thoughts and or your actions because everybody is just saying that you miss it out, that you need to buy it. It's the best moment to buy. And actually, it's not really the best moment to buy. The best moment to buy was when Bitcoin have that, sorry, Ethereum have that drop to the 1,300 more or less. If you grab the Ethereum at that levels, congratulations to you because that actually was the bottom dip that we had in Ethereum. And so we're gonna try to navigate now and predict what is coming next because in the weekly we just see super bullish chart and the price gonna go up, gonna break new all-time highs. I think we have time still to break new all-time highs as soon as we see another big move on Bitcoin potentially. Everybody's just calling already the acquisition. I won't go to rush to be honest because Ethereum have no break the previous all-time high. So let me see. This is just going a little bit slow right now. Yeah, I was pointing to this that we need to make this breakout and then test it and then go all the way up. And let's see what's going on. It's going crazy my computer. Yeah, I don't have right now the setup I normally do, but it's just emergency video for you to have a better idea what actually is going to happen next if you want to enter into a long or short. Um, this video is for you, and also if you want to take advantage to the market, I will um, recommend you to go and check the description below. You can get a nice fat bonus and Bitunix, which is also really nice because you don't get any KYC or complication with, you need to completely undress yourself for the exchange. This is just simple. You just log in, create an account, and you can immediately start putting funds on the link trade. So, as I was saying, the weekly it looks really bullish. We just need, we still have time. As I was saying to you, the line on strength is almost going to break into this horizontal line. Once we do, it will go with a lot of strength and really powerful and bullish momentum. And the daily, let me see how's it going. The daily, I was saying already yesterday, I say I don't need to repeat, but if you didn't watch the video from yesterday, I would recommend you to watch it. I'm just gonna briefly talk about it. We already see like we already overbought into the air side. You already can see that. I'm expecting and probably to have a consolidation, go to to retest the blue line, which also aligns with the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, actually, we haven't this downside in momentum. It's not going to 2,000 or to zero. It's just potentially going to go to the 3,440 more or less, or even a little bit lower in order just to liquidate everybody who have the stop loss uh, below that yeah, orange line. As you can see, the strength line is just going down. So it's not really doesn't have strength. It's not powerful to the downside. And the green valley that we have been observing is just starting to get loose momentum. We're potentially going to form. I'm expecting a small red valley and just cool off on the other side in order to go. higher and higher. For that, I will expect in the best case scenario, we're just going to consolidate exactly as Bitcoin is doing it. You see, we drew this line a few days ago, and I was just saying how the price is just reacting to this consolidation. And this is actually really good. You can see already the orange line and the blue line, they start to already get together. And this is really nice because that's what we want to see when we want the price to have a higher impulse. First, they need to align. You can see it here really easily. We went up, we were a liberal separation, then we went down, we start to consolidate the lines, they start to get together, and then we have a massive explosion. And exactly is happening the same right now. You can see it's just going, it went up all the way to 2023. We went down. The lines, they start to get together now. We're going to have a little bit of consolidation here, so you should not sleep on this. And after that, we potentially going to go up. And hopefully that's going to happen with Ethereum. And I'm expecting at first Bitcoin to uh, go up and make new highs, and then Ethereum will follow. This also perfectly aligned with these bounds I was already drawing days ago. The bounds we're gonna have with the Bitcoin dominance. With that also, it means that more liquidity is gonna flow again, or more interested into the Bitcoin chart and the Bitcoin price, and that's why we see now the price is bouncing a little bit and consolidating. So if once we do that, then Bitcoin potentially gonna consolidate again, and then Ethereum gonna explode, and then it's when we're gonna see all this massive outflow to the altcoins. But like, I just want to recap and say, mention to you as well, don't get yourself to move with the FOMO like everybody. I see a lot of people, known influencers in X, and they're always calling for buying whatever token, it doesn't matter, like Ethereum or ADA, they're gonna go up, but they always giving the FOMO to people to buy it when we already overbought. For that, if you like this kind of content, you want to know where the market is going, you should subscribe to the channel, like the video, and like this, you hopefully you're gonna learn something about it in order to don't fall into that FOMO because it is a little bit unfair to get that higher price when we already overbought when you can get a better price. So the some of them they're gonna go higher, some not, but it's not nice that the people always enter. Everybody just enter in higher price. That's how people get disappointed. I mean, if you do that as well, if you know researching and learning, it's also part of your fault because you should not just following into whatever people say, no? So hopefully with this a little bit insight, you're gonna learn some how to navigate. And if you have any question, just drop it in the commentary below, and I will try to answer the questions you have. And let me see. And if you would like any particular token as well, just write it down and I'm gonna try to do a video specifically for that token so you can have a better picture where your token is heading to. And yeah, let me know if you have any other questions, and was nice to make this emergency video for you, even if it's not in the normal setup. But if you like this kind of video, just like it and let me know, and see you next time, guys.